gets large. We crossed that old bridge, past the boats in the bay, and the water below had a silver face. Kids on the pier threw bread to the ghosts, and every little thing felt too big to hold. And I swear my hands were shaking, not from cold, not from fear, just from taking it in. I said, stay, he said, we got this. And the sun on the glass made my whole heart live. First time eyes, I never knew it could hit this hard. First time eyes, hold me close while the world gets large.